Hey everyone, Nick Berlin with Berlin Builds. This is a super late video because we're in June of 2024 now. But I want to talk to you about the revenue I earned last year, so all of 23. All right, so in the year 23, I had a little under 500,000 views in total, as well as about 2.4 million impressions. That impressions is how many times my videos have shown up on someone's feed or on the homepage or in a search result. That's just how many times they've shown up, the little thumbnails for the videos. And then right over here we have, this is my impression click-through rate, which is just about what percentage of times people clicked on those little thumbnails, which is a little under 10%, which isn't great, it's not terrible. But, you know, when we look at all that, that's for videos, I should say. For going for shorts, I had a little under 5,000 views. I honestly didn't do much with shorts. But all in all, we gained another almost 1,500 subscribers, so about 1.4 thousand subscribers. And going into the revenue so for everything total together, so this is your shorts feed, your watch page ads, your memberships, all that kind of fun stuff. We're looking at a total of $1,971.56, which is a little less than I made the previous year. And I was a little bit of a slacker on my YouTube journey, as I have been a little bit of a slacker this year too. You can see I'm doing this video in June, so you know things are crazy over here, but a good time. So you can kind of see, you know, when we go into that, for the watch page ads, that's the bulk of the money I made is from just ads on the videos. From shorts, I made a whopping 35 cents, which is just amazing. Can buy so much with that in today's money. And then memberships, I think I had 2 members at one time, which left me with $16.79. And supers, this is when you guys give tips and different things like that. Nobody gave me tips. And so I cried a lot, just tears, tons of tears. Not really. The channel was pretty steady. Usually I was getting about 1,000 views a day, a little over 1,000 views sometimes. I think there were maybe a few days that were just under 1,000. I did have a couple crazy days in December. That one had 2,000 views one day, 9,600 views one day. One of these videos was really taken off. I can't remember which one, but it quickly died back down to just regular views. So, you know, that's kind of typical, you know, getting about, 50-ish hours of watch time a day. And for subscribers, you know, there's that little peak that we had over here, but this was a little bit all over the place. So, coming down here though, you know, my top video was how to change a miter saw blade, which gained almost 60,000 views in that time. This one was the bulk of the money maker for the year. If I remember right, it was this one right here. So anyways, I hope this is helpful to you guys. My channel is tools and DIY kind of stuff. I'm a general contractor and finished carpenter, so a lot of my content is going to revolve around that kind of stuff. So like, for example, you can see, you know, how to find the degree of a miter cut, how to hang a double door. These are some of my more recent videos. Oh wow, I've only done 4 videos so far this year. I need to repent and become a better YouTuber again. But I had a custom home build that we're doing at that time, which I have finished. I did not finish the series because not very many people were watching it, and I went, why put all this effort into videos when they're not really helping anybody? So anyways, we've got all sorts of fun stuff. So if you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, my best advice would be just to start. Just start making videos and just start going from there. If you're looking at doing it for a source of income, it is doable. It takes a long time. Like when I go into my analytics, if we go to like the lifetime of my channel right here. So I started back in, oh boy, I think it was February of 2020. Yeah, February 14th, I believe, is when I posted my first video. Maybe I'm wrong. That's what my memory says. But in total, since 2020, we're going to get a little bit of 2024, about half of 2024 now. I've gotten a little over 1 million views, 55,000-ish hours of watch time. I've a little over 4,500 subscribers. But in total, since I started my YouTube channel 4 years ago, it's made me, you know, $6,700 plus however much I made from my Amazon associates. But you can see the estimated revenue. I didn't make a single dime off of, you know, ads from YouTube until October of 2021. It was about a year and a half before I got monetized, and my first day I made 34 cents. 34 cents. And then my next day I made, $6.97, $7.55, or something like that. So anyways, I think the most I've ever made in a day was whatever. If we can find this one, let's see if we can catch it. Maybe. It's close to $30, you can see on the graph right here. Let's see. Little micro mouse movements. Sorry, this is probably boring to you guys. So anyways, it is doable. It is a source of passive income. It pays for some lunches and all that kind of fun stuff. So if it's something that you're looking at doing, something that you're interested in, I would recommend just starting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hopefully this has inspired you to go start your own YouTube channel, or if you're just curious, maybe it satiated, is that a word? I don't know. Maybe it fulfilled some of the curiosity that you have in your life right now on how much money Berlin Builds is making annually off of their YouTube career, which I am so good at. Anyways, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff that YouTubers say, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.